Well, an area of Asheville that was hardest hit is known for arts, music, and everything in between. And tonight, the River Arts District, as it's known, is a shell of itself. 10 News anchor Abby Ham joining us from a bridge overlooking this damage. And Abby, I have to imagine it's hard to put into words just what you've witnessed, the destruction.
It really is, Robin. There are so many things to talk about when you look around. It's literally every square inch of everything is different tonight. And to think that this looked normal just last week. This time last week, this was a thriving arts district with people outside walking and enjoying their community. But it is much different today. Debris everywhere, entire businesses gone. Even the sign that represents the district is twisted with trees. Residents from Asheville lined the bridge to see the scope of the damage for themselves because they haven't had cell service to see any of the news coverage. One man, Hartwell Carson, is actually a river keeper for the French Broad River for a company called Mountain True. He works to protect and clean up the river through research, education, and advocacy work. He kayaked through these floodwaters and is very worried about what he's seen with his own eyes.
There's an oil distribution place there, and the oil tanks were flipped over. We paddled up through a gas station, and gas was just coming out of the ground. You know, propane tanks floating by, trash and debris just coming out of buildings.
Carson does say that this river will recover in time. He says it's a natural resource and it will rebound in its own way, but it's going to take a lot of hard work and a lot of cleanup efforts that are, of course, done by man. Robin, this has been quite the experience seeing this destruction with our own 2 eyes, our own 4 eyes, I should say, because William Winnett is with me, and it is startling. I mean, every corner, everywhere you look, it doesn't look the same.
Quick question for you, Abby. We know businesses, many don't even exist in Asheville. As far as you guys, our team, where are you having to go in order to have the resources you need in order to cover this story?
Well, it's a really good question, Robin. We actually found an inn, a little B&B in Hendersonville, and we also found some other hotel options, but it was the lesser of two evils. Do we want no power or no water? And we chose no power because we have a portable generator that can hopefully get us through. We're also right next to a fire station, and they have been so sweet to let us use their power sources as we need. But as far as a hotel, we're staying in a place without electricity, but we do have indoor plumbing, which is a luxury at this point for people here. We brought coolers packed with our own food, snacks, like I said, a portable generator. The list goes on. I mean, we have not been able to purchase gas or food in this area at this point. Everything we have sustained ourselves and our crews with, we've brought ourselves.
You are saying something when you say, you know, having the facilities, that's a luxury. That says a lot right there. All right, Abby, thank you so much. We'll be checking in with you again. Thank you.